Is this on? Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Rob from Enginetuner. Just a quick video for you today. I want to show you something very cool. A Mk1 Escort rally car has come in to Enginetuner headquarters. Everyone loves a Mk1 and this one is pretty special. So I thought I'd show you around it and show you what we're going to be doing to it. So this car has very modern electronic system, including a Link standalone engine management system, a Link Razor power distribution module, and a Mk1 keypad. Let me show you all of that if you come this way. Have a little look in there. You can see on the center console there the Mk1 keypad, and just below you can see the PDM. It also has the Haltech IC7 digital dash. We're huge fans of those. They are very cool. And this car is in because now that all of this modern technology has been fitted, the owner wants us to get it all working nicely and get the car nicely tuned. But here is the really special part. Bear with me, I'm going to show you the engine of this car. It's going to take me just a few seconds to So what we have here is a Ford Zetec engine. I'm not sure of the capacity, it might be a 2 litre, I have to check with the owner. Next to that you can see that wedged into this pretty small engine bay is a turbocharger. Internally wastegated turbo there. Really nice. This thing is going to absolutely fly. I dare say it probably weighs about 850 to 900 kilos. Plenty of torque from that engine. You can see at the front here we've got the brackets for the light pods, external oil cooler, intercooler just there, radiator at the back. It's a really cool car. And who doesn't love orange wheels? The first thing I noticed about this car, besides from the fact it's dragging its flaps around, which is always a cool look, is that it's got carbon fibre bumpers. And what a wonderful idea that is. Behold. We get all sorts here at Enginetuner, and this is something very cool, very special. Until next time, see ya!